What is the single best tax advantage account out there? Let's talk about it. Hello everybody, Joe Orbit coming at you. And today we're going to talk about the best, most tax advantageous account you can possibly invest in. And if you qualify for this account, I need you to start using it. I am talking about HSAs, health savings accounts. Now, I know on this channel I talk about tax advantage investing. I have great videos on IRAs and Roth IRAs and Roth conversions, but all of those accounts give and take. For instance, if you put money into an IRA, you get the tax break today, but you have to pay the taxes later. If you put money in a Roth, you pay the taxes now, but you never have to pay the taxes again. An HSA is the only part of the Internal Revenue Code, and remember, the Internal Revenue Code is made up of 72,000 pages of code. This is the only section in the entire code that allows you to put money away pre-tax and then take it out tax-free. It's unbelievable. It is such a great place to put money, meaning when you put the money into the account, you get a write-off. And then it grows tax deferred. And then if you access the money correctly, the money comes out tax-free. I can't even believe this account's out there. It's called a health savings account, but you have to qualify for it. And the way you qualify is if you currently have a high deductible health insurance policy, whether it's through work or it's your own policy. If you have a high deductible policy, you are allowed to put money into a health savings account. But I want you to use this account differently than they're recommending. I want you to put as much as you can into this account every single year, but don't use it. I'd like you to maximize it and use this account for when you're retired. Because think about it. When do you have extra spendable income? When you're working. Now. Now is the time where you can work harder, maybe you could earn a little bit extra, but you have that extra spendable income. When you're retired, you have no income. The only money you have is maybe Social Security, if you're lucky, a pension, and the investments that you've put away. That's the time when paying for your health insurance can be the most painful. So how it works is, if you are an individual, you can put $3,550 away pre-tax in 2020. If you have a family plan, you can put $7,100 away in 2020. And fast math, if you're a family and you put $7,100 away for the next 30 years at 4% interest, that's a $400,000 account that you could use during retirement. Now, when you put money in the HSA, you can set up your own HSA. You can choose to have it be in a fixed account or be in a managed account or a mutual fund account. There's hundreds and hundreds of HSAs. Just go online and search for the best HSAs. And I'll have a link below for some websites that you can go to find the best HSAs available today. But the Fidelity Retirement Center has come out and said that the average 65-year-old in 2020 faces over $295,000 of health-related costs during retirement. If we equate that for a 3% inflation rate and go out 30 years, that's over $700,000 of costs that you may have in retirement. So it's better if you start saving for that today, because you put the money away pre-tax, and if you use it for health-related costs, comes out tax-free. Now, if you don't need it for health costs, you can pull the money out after you retire, but then you pay the taxes at that time when you pull the money out. If you pull the money out to pay for health costs, you pull it out tax-free. If you're putting money into this every single year and suddenly you have an accident, a surgery, you can go into that account, you can pull the money out tax-free to pay for your health-related costs. But I'm saying, is it better for you in the long run if you can not touch that account? So put the money away pre-tax, let it grow tax deferred, access it during retirement tax-free, and you will have beaten the system when it comes to paying taxes on those dollars. As always, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe and make sure that bell is hit in the bottom so you get notified each and every week when I update new material, and I'll see you next time.